What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should buy a Foxbody Mustang in 2023. So let's go. All right, before we get started, I always like to preface my videos with, these are just my opinions, things that I've thought about, questions that I've asked myself. Why would I buy another Foxbody Mustang? I actually came up with a pretty good list, but I narrowed it down to these 5 reasons. That's just a friendly reminder. If you didn't see our community post, we just released some new swag with a new design. The stuff looks pretty cool, and we've got a lot of great feedback on it. So check out our YouTube store, and I'll also drop in the direct link to the merch store in the description box. Now we're going to start with number 5 and work our way up, and that's the looks and the nostalgic presence of the Foxbody. No doubt it's a sharp looking car. It is growing in popularity amongst all age categories. It's definitely not a car that you're going to see every day. So when you're driving on the street, it does attract attention. It catches people's eye. For everyone in my generation, the Foxbody brings back a lot of great memories of our teenage years, and no doubt that's contributing to the spike in popularity. But quite simply, the Foxbody is still a sharp-looking car, and it has the cool factor written all over it. Moving on to number 4 is the availability of parts for these cars. And the amount of aftermarket performance and restoration parts is incredible. And these are things that you need to consider when you're looking at buying a project car. And you should be asking yourself, how difficult is it to get parts for this car? And for a Foxbody, it's a non-issue. There's a lot of great companies online that offer a wide range of products. So you can easily restore these guys back to stock or go down the performance road. Either way, that's number 4. Reason number 3 is the Foxbody platform. And this one is very important and monumental, because there's no question that this platform saved the Foxbody brand, especially after the release of the second generation, which ran from 74 to 78. The Foxbody ran from 79 to 93. And just to clarify, I know most think that it was a 14-year one, but in actuality, it was a 15-year platform. Anyhow, the Foxbody platform is very versatile. It's highly desired because it's light. It can be adjusted to suit your needs. It's done very well on many different circuits, especially the drag racing world. But most importantly, who knows where the Mustangs would be without this platform. Now we're going to look at reason number 2, and that's the overall availability of a Foxbody Mustang today, which is obviously reducing and contributing to the price drive. Now when you look at the numbers produced, In the Foxbody era, Ford made just over 2.6 million. But when you take in consideration a 79 Foxbody is now 43 years old, I would say a lot of those have been crushed or are now completely rotted out. So it is getting more and more difficult to find a clean, rust-free Foxbody, especially if you're looking for a special edition or a 93 Cobra. Those are becoming very difficult to find. So number two, availability of the Foxbody Mustang. Reason number one why you want to buy a Foxbody Mustang either right now or early in 2023 is because these Foxbodies have become an asset and a future investment. And believe me when I tell you, I've been dealing with Foxbodies for 31 years now, and I never thought in a million years that they would become an investment. Obviously, the market for these Foxbody Mustangs have spiked dramatically in the last few years, but I've also noticed that it's recently cooled off a little bit, and some people are starting to cash out. So you're not too late. You can still get into a Foxbody for a decent price. The prices are never going to recoil back to what they were, let's say, 5 to 7 years ago. But like the housing market, we're going to see these little lulls. You're going to see an increase, a plateau, maybe a little dip, and then you're going to see another surge again. And I truly believe another spike is going to occur once they cross that 50-year threshold. So go out and get yourself a Foxbody. You're not going to go wrong. And if you're planning on holding it long term, you're not going to lose any money on it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Those were my 5 top reasons why you should buy a Foxbody Mustang. Of course, I would love to hear your thoughts and comments, good or bad, so drop them in. Don't forget to check out our merch store here, and you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash that subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.